Mga taga-Eastern, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa araw na ito, kayo narito at kami ay ginabayan nyo sa mga kakulangan ng aming paaralan. Maraming po salamat.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyo for being our gracious host. Purely voluntary ito. Wala ko kaming grade dito na for being here. Actually, more of a personal fulfillment siguro.
Yung activity natin ngayon sa Eastern. So, yun nga, kasi dun sa 17 years ko dito sa Eastern, ngayon lang ako naka-experience ng ganito.
First time na ako personally ma-experience yung ganitong event, and I guess also for the company. Yung feeling lang na nakaka-overwhelm because you didn't expect that a lot of people will really help us out and volunteer in this initiative. Hindi namin nakalain na literally, sabi nga ni Sir Jed na yung magic nandun.
And it's really bringing back the human connection in everything that we do. And this is one of the activities that we felt that we're bringing back human connection. We wanted to be part of the community, we wanted to share what we have. And for the longest time, there is a clamor for activities like this because as you know, when you're in the corporate world, you're very focused on what you do in your everyday tasks. And this is really, we've been hearing employees asking for corporate special programs, corporate social responsibilities, because they felt that it gives them wholeness.
Konting tulong na alam ko na may ibibigay ko, it means a lot to them. Tapos, I really appreciate the kids kanina. Kasi, they were, yung dalawang tinawag kanina, they were very, parang energetic to present. They have the guts. They don't have any fear. Hindi sila nahihiya. Tapos, alam mong pinaghandaan yung presence ng Eastern. And it's very fulfilling, like I said. And thank you for the opportunity that I am able to be part of this activity. Thank you sa marketing, thank you kay Eastern, thank you sa committee members, sa lahat ng nag-volunteer.
po ay isang programa na pakikipagtulungan ng mga magulang, teachers at private individual para sa kaunlad ng ating school at ng ating mga mag-aaral.
Mula po sa Pintong Gubat Elementary School, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa Eastern Communication. Happy 140 Eastern Communication!
Yung mga messages nila, nakaka-touch na parang kahit sa simpleng bagay na to na sa sobrang busy sa work, naglaan tayo ng isang araw para makatulong sa kanila. So, yung maririnig mo na sobrang thankful sila dun sa simpleng ginawa natin. Sobrang nakaka-overwhelm.
Happy 140 anniversary sa Eastern Communication. Mabuhay!